everybody, Mrs. Bianchi here. We're looking at question 1. Select the expression that represents the perimeter. Now remember, perimeter is the distance around the figure, and they're giving us algebraic expressions to represent the length of each side. So if we knew that the number was, say, 20 as an example, wouldn't we be just adding 20 plus 20 plus 20? Or wouldn't we be doing 3 times 20? So let's use that idea to write an expression for this one. Well, there's two ways we can approach it. One way is to say we're just adding up 4r plus 4r plus 4r, and we're going to combine all the like terms. That's one way to do it. So if we have 4r plus 4, how many r's do we have altogether? Or we can look at it this way. We can say to ourselves we have 3 groups of 4r, and we can distribute it. So if we distribute it, then you're saying to yourself 3 groups of 4r is how many r's? Which would be the same thing you would do if you just add up these coefficients. All right, so once you have that, by the way, hopefully you know it's 12r. So we're going to pick this. We're going to use that to do number 2, because the expression we picked was 12 times r. So let's use that. We'll substitute in the value that they give us for r, which is 3 and 5/10. So on your paper, write 12 and then put in parentheses 3 and 5/10, because that would imply that we're multiplying it. And then off to the side, you'll do the algorithm for 12 times 3 and 5/10. Now, we can use estimation, by the way, to kind of approximate what the answer should be. So if we call this 12, if we round this to 12 and we round this to 4, 12 times 4 would be 48. And if we had rounded this down to 3, then we would do 12 times 3 and get 36. So that means the answer should be between 36 and 48. And there's only one choice there that does fall between those two numbers that I just mentioned. But if estimating doesn't make any sense to you, then finish the algorithm and pick which one it is.